Hi friends, this time I come up with a beautiful and useful video that how to earn money from online. For that you need to go and visit my website, that is www.vagjalaprinkmar.wordpress.com. This is my web address. You need to go this web address and then you need to press earn money option. Here is it. After clicking this address, you will see these ads here. After that, click any one of these and you need to sign up from here. Let it open. After that, you need to press register. I will show how to earn from here. I have already account, so I am logging here. Some trouble in login. Okay, it is going to be login. After completion of your login, you need to press and see this kind of option for that, and you press that one and view advertisements. Click on that. This is dependent on the website. You should not use any ad passings, so I am blocking passing my ad block here to earn money. And you need to press once again. See, here is the ads, and that after clicking and viewing the ad, how much amount will be getting here they mentioned. For example, if you click and you view this ad, you will get this much amount. For this family clicks, you need to get overall $3. After getting $3, you can transfer to your PayPal account. From PayPal account, you will get in transfer to your bank account. Okay, let's see how to do and view that ad. Here is the time passing. After completion of the time, automatically that amount will be created to your family clicks account. So this ad is completed. After that, close the window and go to your family clicks. See, this is the balance of mine, and it will be automatically updated. Please observe, it is 11 pies. Okay, after that, view this ad. It will be automatically updated. Please observe. It will take some ad. This kind of jobs may be also known as freelancer jobs. And click the down as per their indications you need to do. See, this one is updated. Likewise, all these ads, from all these ads you can earn money. Okay, this is one of the site for earning money through online. And one more thing I will show you, and this is the ClickSetra, GPT Planet, Brainbugs. All are these sites are for earning money. And some of the sites I already added here. It will be shown you some of the times, but some of the times it can't show you. So one of the major one is ClickSense. I will post you in few days. Okay, and here also you need to create your own account, but I am using my account. I already logged in, and you need to press view ads. For this ClickSense, with the ad blocker also you can earn money. See, 10 paisa you can earn from these regular ads, but there is no regular ads present. See, this much amount I got after getting $2 from ClickSense. You can transfer to your PayPal account. Guys, first of all, important is you need a PayPal account. From these sites you can transfer amount to your PayPal account. After that you can transfer to your bank account. So you need a PayPal account for getting money from these websites, and that amount to be transferred to your bank account. Likewise, you need to press. See, this ad is displayed. almost all 10 pies of dollars. $1 equal to 10 cents. uh, for
Hi, I'm
for
Mike.
getting
You remember?
for getting 10 cents, you need to view the ad for almost all 30 seconds. This is one kind of job to earn money. After completion of this, I will show you one more thing, that is data entry job, that is also called as captcha entry. For all these related information I will provide in my website, so please go to that website and visit regularly. If you have any doubts and any queries, you can ask me directly. This is the one more site I told you. From this website you can do this. I will tell you how what to do. And start working, press on start working. After clicking that, how we will learn, this is the thing. Here you will get a captcha. After viewing that captcha, you need to enter the data and then submit answer. Press enter also you can earn. And from 1000, almost all 1000 images, this much of amount you will get. After getting $2 or $3, you will be directly transferred to your PayPal account again from this mega typers also. So it is mandated to get a account in PayPal. And all these websites you need to create a website. You need to sign up. And you can, this is the thing, CASA and SOUSLENS. See here amount is, I am also using first time, so little bit amount only I got up to now. Okay, I am going to open a PayPal account. This is the PayPal official site. You need to create a account in PayPal. See, I have created my account and added my State Bank to this account. After adding all the details, they sent me almost all 1 rupee, 2 rupee, twice they sent me amount. And they have provided some codes, and I have entered the two codes. After that they have been accepted my account. And you need not to do anything after that. Just withdraw amount from that websites. So those websites I already shown you. Then that amount will be transferred to this PayPal account. This PayPal account automatically send it this amount to your bank account after getting that. See, this is the auto withdrawal in option. So my if I get amount, then it will be transferred to my State Bank account. These many websites are there, and all these kind of information I will provide you in my website. Once again I am telling you, my website will be mentioned in my description, video description of this YouTube channel. And if you want, you can slowly observe my video to the address www.vikichpremar.wordpressd.com. This is my website. After going to this website, you need to place here, this is the earn money option. After pressing that thing, you need to scroll down to view this. Here is the neobugs and all this kind of information just now came. This neobugs is also very important. And we see, this is the view advertisement. Likewise, you do visit all these websites and click on these ads and earn money. Hope that you all are enjoyed the thing. And if you have any queries, once again I am telling you, please comment in the website or else in this video below. I will respond to them. And don't forget to subscribe.